Hi all, my name is Srihari. Today I am going to describe briefly about the topic regarding quantum computers. So please let me start. Okay. The spark of the first quantum computer was presented by Robert Finn. In 1981 at MIT, he presented that the digital computer means the computer which we are using by these days. These computers which cannot simulate the evolution of a quantum computer in such an efficient way. So he just presented a basic model of the quantum computer which is capable of doing such simulations or which can work under which works by less time consuming. By doing this, he outlined the exponential replacement of the digital computers by the arriving of quantum computers. However, it took more than 10 years to develop a it took more than 10 years to develop a special algorithm which works for these computers under these simulations. Basically, quantum computers are works under the principles of um, quantum theories. It's also a part of computer science, but basically it works under the principles of quantum theories. Okay. Now we can just take a look on what makes the difference between quantum computers and the digital computers. We all know that the computers are unable to take languages or unable to understand what we are typing, or it cannot understand any other languages other than zeros and ones, which means binary languages. Okay, suppose if we are writing any languages, its compiler will convert its language into zeros and ones, and after that it gets reads the format of these zeros and ones, and after that we get understand what is meant by us. So, and sorry, the main important thing on the digital computer is it can read only one value at a time. Okay, but in the case of quantum computers, it works under the quantum chips, and if we are giving anything or any information to that computer, its compiler will convert the values also into zeros and one format, which means binary formats. And the special thing it will read all these things at the same time, which means it can read multiple values at the same time. By doing this, the the time will be very less consumed. Okay. Let me make it more clear by the help of an example. Suppose there is a game like Pathfinder or something like that, simple puzzle games or something. Uh, just take it Pathfinder games. If there is a 10 path, if there is a 10 path and we have to find the one correct path to go to a destination. Okay. If we are giving this game to the digital computer, it will check each path one by one, and after that it will give us the corrected path. If it is taking 1 second for checking one path, it will take 10 seconds for getting a result. But as the same case, we are giving this to the quantum computers. It will check all these 10 paths at the same time and gives the result instantly, which means at the stage of the digital computer giving taking 10 seconds for checking 10 paths, these quantum computers will check all the 10 paths at 1 second. That is the main difference and main advantage of the quantum computer. This can be very helpful in the fields of medical industries and artificial intelligence, and also in uh, like space observations or something like that. In medical fields, suppose in the medical fields, if we are going to invent a new medicine or new vaccination or something, we just adding the data and the other record documents into the computer. In the case of digital computer, it will check all this process one by one, and after that it will give the result. But as in the quantum computer, it will process all this data at the same time and instantly give us a result, as compared to the digital computer. That is the main difference of and main advantage and the main working of these computers. Uh, by this small topic, I hope this is understood what is meant by the quantum computer, and thank you for listening.